Updating your API settings on Oracle CX Commerce is essential for ensuring that your integrations function correctly. Follow these steps to make the necessary updates. Step 1. Log into your Oracle CX Commerce account. Start by logging into your Oracle CX Commerce account using your administrator credentials. This will give you access to the settings you need to modify. Step 2. Navigate to the API settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROT to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Review current API configurations. In the API settings section, review the existing configurations. Take note of any settings that need to be updated, such as endpoint URLs, authentication methods, or API keys. Step 4. Make necessary updates. Edit the fields that require changes. Ensure that you enter the correct information, such as new API keys or updated URLs. Double check for any typos or errors to avoid issues later. Step 5. Save changes and tests. After making the updates, click the Save button to apply the changes. It is important to test the API connections to ensure everything is functioning correctly after the update. By following these steps, you can successfully update your API settings on Oracle CX Commerce. Regularly reviewing these settings helps maintain the integrity of your integrations.